At Whitmor, we understand your passion for simplifying your life in the way that's best for you. That's why, since 1946, our passion has been to do one thing and one thing only: to design and produce the many things that help you organize your life. From our humble beginnings in Brooklyn, through our migration down south to Earle, Arkansas, where we manufactured our products for over 40 years, and now to our vast design and distribution center near Memphis, we've kept one thing top of mind: you. We understand you're your own person and you have your own system, and chances are no two yous are the same. So when designing and manufacturing the storage, organization, and laundry accessory products you use, we make every effort to ensure that they're functional and easy to assemble, but most importantly, that they are exactly the quality that you expect and deserve. All of our products are produced with best-in-class design and manufacturing standards, and everything we sell undergoes stringent testing at all phases of development, from packaging and shipping materials down to the smallest of component parts. And if you need any help putting something together, or you have any questions whatsoever, we've got you covered. We have a full-time consumer care team standing by at our headquarters, ready to assist you with any of our thousands of products. It's what we do. As a matter of fact, it's quite literally the only thing we do, so we do it right. Remember, you're the reason we exist, and we have a passion to serve. So when designing your new laundry room, realizing your next weekend storage project, or just helping the kids organize their space, keep us in mind. Find a better order with Whitmor, bringing organization home. Everything in just the right place.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.